2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.